Looking for fun activities in Michigan? Michigan is not just another state on the map. It's a vibrant tourist hotspot, teeming with a cornucopia of thrilling activities for all tastes. Whether you're an art enthusiast, an adventure junkie, a history buff, or a nature lover, Michigan promises to keep you entertained. From its bustling cities to its tranquil landscapes, it's a place where memories are made. So grab your bucket list because we're about to dive into the heart of the Great Lakes state. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 fun activities in Michigan. Starting off at number 10, we have exploring Detroit's Art Deco architecture. Detroit's architectural landscape is an eclectic collection of styles, but it's the Art Deco gems that truly steal the show. These towering structures, with their geometric patterns and lavish ornamentation, offer a fascinating window into the city's roaring past. From the Fisher Building to the Guardian Building, each edifice is a testament to a time when Detroit was the heartbeat of industrial America. An architectural delight indeed! At number 9, we recommend kayaking in pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. Imagine paddling on crystal-clear waters, with towering multicolored cliffs to your side, and the open sky above. Here, each stroke of your paddle takes you deeper into a world of breathtaking beauty and serene tranquility. The gentle lapping of the waves, the whisper of the wind, and the stunning views of the natural rock formations are a feast for your senses. A perfect blend of adventure and tranquility, wouldn't you agree? Coming in at number 8, visit the Henry Ford Museum. This iconic destination is a treasure trove of American innovation. From the Ford Model T to the Rosa Parks bus, the exhibits here speak volumes about the nation's journey through time. Every corner of this museum is infused with stories that will captivate history enthusiasts and casual visitors alike. It's not just a museum, it's a time capsule that takes you on an immersive journey through America's past. A step back in time, right in the heart of Michigan. At number 7, indulge in wine tasting in Traverse City. Traverse City, a hidden gem in Michigan, is home to an array of wineries, each offering a unique experience for wine enthusiasts. Let your taste buds dance with the diverse flavors of the region's signature wines, from crisp whites to robust reds. Traverse City's wineries invite you to sip, savor, and enjoy the captivating landscapes that surround you. Whether you're a seasoned wine connoisseur or a curious beginner, Traverse City is a wine lover's paradise. Cheers to a grape-filled adventure! Number 6 on our list is hiking in the Porcupine Mountains. This vast wilderness is a treasure trove of scenic trails winding through lush forests, alongside gushing rivers, and up to the highest peaks offering breathtaking panoramic views. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual walker, there's a trail for you in this hiker's heaven. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. Listen to the symphony of the wind rustling through the trees, and let your soul soar with the eagles. A hiker's paradise indeed. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we have visiting Mackinac Island. A place where time seems to stand still, Mackinac Island offers a unique charm with its car-free streets, inviting you to explore on foot, bike, or horse-drawn carriage. Every corner of the island is filled with quaint shops and cafes, and let's not forget the irresistible aroma of fudge wafting from the numerous fudge shops. The perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, Mackinac Island is a must-visit. A sweet retreat, wouldn't you say? Number 4 on our list is skiing in Boyne Mountain Resort. Imagine the exhilaration as you swoosh down the powdery slopes, the chill in the air turning your cheeks rosy. But Boyne Mountain offers more than just skiing. From snowboarding and snowshoeing to tubing and ice skating, there's a flurry of winter activities to indulge in. Warm up with a cup of cocoa by the fireplace, or enjoy a hearty meal at one of the resort's restaurants. Much fun awaits you in Michigan. Coming in at number 3, stargazing at Headlands International Dark Sky Park. Imagine a place so dark, so quiet, that the only light comes from the stars above. Here, it's not just about seeing stars. It's about being immersed in the cosmic beauty of the universe. Marvel at the stunning views of celestial bodies, constellations, and even shooting stars if you're lucky. A night spent under the glittering tapestry of the night sky. It's a unique experience that's simply out of this world, a stellar experience indeed. Almost at the top, at number 2, exploring the Detroit Institute of Arts. This gem in the heart of Detroit boasts an extensive collection, spanning continents and centuries, truly a global treasure trove of creativity. Lose yourself in the mesmerizing pieces, from the Renaissance masterpieces to contemporary works. Each visit is a chance to discover something new, to be inspired, to be moved. Whether you're an art connoisseur or simply enjoy beauty, this is an experience that enriches. A feast for the eyes and soul. And finally, at number 1, visit Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore. This breathtaking natural wonder is a must-see. Imagine towering sand dunes that plunge into the crystal-clear waters of Lake Michigan. It's not just about the views, though. You can hike, swim, or take a scenic drive. The adventurous might even try sandboarding down the dunes. The area is teeming with wildlife, too, offering ample opportunities for birdwatching and nature photography. Truly, the crown jewel of Michigan's attractions. And there you have it, the top 10 fun activities in Michigan. From exploring Detroit's Art Deco architecture to stargazing at Headlands International Dark Sky Park, there's something for everyone. Don't forget the breathtaking Sleeping Bear Dunes and the vibrant art scene at the Detroit Institute of Arts. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or an art enthusiast, Michigan offers an array of experiences that promise to make your visit memorable. So pack your bags and get ready for your next adventure in Michigan. Until next time. Don't forget to join me, Bella, and the rest of our crew, and to subscribe to the Virtual Explorer for many more informative videos.